Yesterday, the Jazz beat the Seattle Supersonics at a score of 141 to 123. This qualified them for the playoffs. What are your thoughts on that, Truman?
Well, since I'm a Boom Shakalaka network member, I'm all about the Jazz, and it's good seeing good players go to the playoffs, and got a good chance of winning, don't you think?
Yeah, I think we'll make it far in the playoffs.
Wait, what was that?
Best of luck to the Jazz players out there. What do you have?
We got breaking news!
Breaking news!
Breaking news!
Breaking news! What is this?
Some kind of germ!
Look, this is the germ. And it will spread rapidly.
It's called the Chenchen.
Now we are going to talk to one of our scientists. Our great scientist and fellow Boom Shakalaka network member, Dr. Cheney, is going to talk to us about the germ. What's it called?
Okay, it's not a germ. It is actually a virus, and the real name of it is Chinchenesis. Some calculations that I've made is that the germ multiplies at 2 to the x, which means it will double the amount of the time it was before. So, and that doubles, and that happens every hour. So at the end of today, there will be 16,777,216 viruses of Chinchenesis, according to my calculation. That's right. And here is the function I have pulled up.
Thank you, Dr. Cheney. We appreciate it a lot. And I'm glad that we know about this germ and hope that you don't catch it at home.
Yes, no problem. It's a serious matter.
Thank you, Dr. Cheney. We'll get back to you as the story progresses on Chinchenesis.
From Boom Shakalaka Networks, we'll be back with more on the story.
I'm Shaquille O'Neal.
And I'm Jimmy Fallon. Here's a commercial break. Welcome back. We have more on this developing story of Chinchenesis.
For now, we will show our special guest, Dr. Dick Cheney.
Hello. So far, there's only been one victim of Chinchenesis.
And it turns out it is much deadlier than originally thought.
This could be the world's next epidemic.
He is now lying in the hospital of primary children's.
Come with us as we show you this progressing story of Chinchenesis.
He's just over here in the green room.
Welcome back. And now we are with the first victim of Chinchenesis. And he appears to be more sick than we thought. And blessings to him and his family. And what are your thoughts on this?
So here's the first Chinchenesis patient. He's been having struggles with his movements and his muscles, and he's just been spazzing out a little bit lately. So, I don't know, doctor, what do you think, or what's going on here?
Well, my research tells that there will be many more victims.
Are you tearing up? Are you tearing up?
Yes. It's a sad story. This one, so some signs of Chinchenesis is muscle spasms, big noises, and he gets a little tired. So, today there will be one victim, next day 2, next day there will be 4, next day there will be 8, next day there will be 16, next day there will be 32, next day there will be 64.
Doctor, could this be a 2x equation?
No, 2 to the x equation.
Ah, yes, of course.
All our prayers go out to him, and we all hope he feels better.
Well, guys, thanks for coming.
Thanks for your hospitality.
Yeah, our pleasure. Here at Family Children's Hospital, we try to do the best for our patients every day.
That's so wonderful of you guys.
Yeah.
Would you guys like some more facts about this disease to help you with your patient?
I think we got it from here. Thanks, though.
You're welcome.
See
Have
ya.
a good day. God bless. She sells seashells by the seashells by the seashore. Oh, you were close.
Welcome back!
Are we on?
Yeah.
Welcome back. We have more on this developing story of Chinchenesis, and we have our good fellow, Dr. Cheney, with more news on this report, and it is much worse than we have imagined. It is spreading rapidly.
It has been 5 days since the first attack of Chinchenesis, and now there are 32 victims of Chinchenesis. My recordings were right. The first day, there was 2 victims. Then there were 4 on the second day. Then on the third day, there were 8. Then on the fourth day, there were 16. And then on the fifth day, there were 32. You have 5 days to live once you catch Chinchenesis. So sadly, 2 of the victims of Chinchenesis have passed on.
The one that we visited nearly last week sadly passed away, and our prayers go out to him and his family.
This is very frightening stuff for everyone around them and all people who know of Chinchenesis.
If you want to see our graph, it's right here.
Please stop.
Please look at it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just...
It's a little terrifying
Very
how
sad.
the deaths go by exponential. Sure has a thing for math. Don't you agree?
Come on, this is serious. People are dying.
Our apologies from Boom Shakalaka Networks. We'll be back with more on this story.
Goodbye. Welcome back. As you can see, this is a bed of the first patient of Chinchenesis. This is the first death, and the germ is very still alive in lives of many. This is a very sad place for many, but we will now be visiting with the head director of primary children's and his doctor, Dr. D. Cheney. As you can, this place is full of patients of Chinchenesis, so he has a lot of experience with this by now. Dr. D and primary children's?
Well, as you saw in the green room, our patient has passed away, sadly. The situation has only gotten worse, continuing at the equation that Doctor here came up with the other day, 2 to the power of x.
Do you know how many patients have come in today?
32 have come in today.
32.
Yes.
That was very frightening. Have we had any more fatalities?
Of those 32, 6 of them have died so far.
Yeah.
It's very sad.
Yes, very, very.
Would you like to join us in a game of pool?
We'll be visiting you later as this story progresses.
Are you
Goodbye,
sure you wanna
America.
stick
Hello. We have a frightening story for you today.
It's been about a month, and there are almost no survivors left on Earth from this very deadly disease, Chinchenesis.
The numbers are frightening low, and we're all scared for each other and the rest of the world.
We may have to evacuate this planet. There's almost no other choice if we want to keep this race alive.
So far, Dr. Dick Cheney has been fighting to find a cure. Let's hear from him.
I've tried over and over, and I still haven't found a cure. I have one last solution that might work, but I am not finished with it. When I'm done, I will give it to the last survivor.
As you can tell, he's been working day and night to help the well-being of this earth.
There's almost no time left. We need to act now.
Welcome from the moon. We've made it, and we left Earth with Chinchenesis staying there.
We have evacuated because we needed to try and save something. But we have gotten reports that there is still a survivor on
His name
Earth.
is John Chinchen.
The mathematician wizard.
Genius in everything he does.
He is our only hope.
He says that he has found a cure, but we are not even sure if he's a doctor.
One of our crew members is sick, Dr. Cheney.
We're fearful for his life.
He does not have many.
Our food supply is running low. We need to have some Raisin Bran left.
As you can see. Only Raisin Bran.
We can hope that Chinchen saves us all.
From
Cheney.